Those gigantic don't be pretentious. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. Don't mesh together, you know. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar, opposite ends of the spectrum. Duality has to do with rigid distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference.